Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to go over how to import an Excel file into Google Sheets. Two ways to go about it. If you already have an untitled like spreadsheet or a brand new spreadsheet, or you want to add in, an existing Excel file into an existing Google Sheets, you're able to do that right here. Just click on File, Import, and then you want to go ahead and hit Upload, Browse. And then I want to import this. I want to create this as like a new file in Google Sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I could replace the spreadsheet, insert as a new sheet, or just create an entire new spreadsheet right there. So we're just going to go ahead and replace this like blank one that we have. Just so I don't have to edit the video, I have my screen like this, but you can also go to your Drive home screen and you can click on New and File Upload, and you can also click on the spreadsheet right there and then click Open. It'll show that one upload is complete, so you can go ahead and click on that, and it will recognize that it is an Excel file, so it'll open up as a Google Sheet. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Peace.